And you jump off of this hill here, and you try to go as far as you can. Winner receive
a brand new 2021 KTM 85 SX.
You could possibly win your own bike back.
Sure.
Well, let's see what you guys can do. I'll keep working. I'll let you know. First attempt. That was good. Whoa! Here comes Jacob. Nice. Yeah, that was, you sent it, man.
You gonna break that?
I was like, whoa.
I sent it so far.
He sent it.
I sent it down over there.
Well, you landed. You landed right here.
That's where I landed?
Yeah. There's Ryder's first attempt. Looks like he's taken the lead.
Huh?
It looks like you've taken the lead.
Put that red thing up. See?
It's here.
Put it all the way up. Top.
Do one jump. Well, we know it's going to go past there.
Yeah, me sitting on it.
Okay, go do a
There.
jump. I want to see.
Right, you see, I did
How much do you weigh?
like
how much
131.
How much does most 9-year-olds weigh?
I weigh 135, 140, so we're about
There. It's properly.
Actually,
yeah.
There's the 85 suspended perfectly for him. It is an
That's how
SX
I
model.
sit pretty much.
Yeah.
It's an SX model.
And you've grown since you've gotten this bike. Like
Yeah,
did
you
that
actually
good.
kind of look normal size on there.
Yeah.
Look like
I
Ricky
fit.
Carmichael.
It's just too much of a bike for me.
It's too much for me.
Didn't look like it was too much in the last jump you did. Attempt number 2. Let's see what you do. Here they come. Who's coming first? Ryder again. Oh, he's liking that bike. Be careful, kid. Beautiful. Just coasted it in there. Yeah. Oh, you guys both.
Did I land farther?
You guys both did about the same.
Where did my back tire land?
Bringing up the rears, Jacob. That was after a
Spot.
tiny jump.
Yeah.
Like when I go down, 'cause I'm wheeling up.
Okay.
It's definitely decent.
Well, you might as well do jumps on that. Came to an elimination round where we've...
That's Joel.
Nice. Does he do the jump?
No.
No.
DRZ 125.
And there's no stopping down here. You have to come all the way around.
Wait, what?
Don't stop down here, like, because the other guy will come fly and hit you. Here comes Bryce for his second attempt.
Those bumps definitely slow you down.
Oh!
Bryce! I take the inside line. Those bumps slow me down so much.
Just avoid them.
I tried to, but...
Bryce for his second attempt. Get on it. Oh, not even close.
Probably the wind out bike back.
What happened?
Huh?
Huh?
I'm slipping out in there. I'm like falling.
Bryce. What?
Close in there, and then when it
I landed there?
Yeah.
all the way down there where the second line is.
Okay, that's it. You have your last attempt. You got to make this one count. We've already eliminated Jacob. Or eliminated. You're unlimited. He's eliminated. Okay, come on, man. Get it together. All right. Here's Ryder's third attempt. That was nice. Okay, I have to declare a winner.
Oh my God.
It was like, I missed it.
Ryder, you're the winner of the 12th annual Westshores jump off. How does it feel, buddy? Good job out there. That was amazing. I could not believe the amount of flight time you were
That
catching.
was your best one for sure.
Brake tapping, clutching. That was incredible. I'm sorry you got eliminated so early, but you know, at a little bit of a disadvantage. Good job, and the grand prize is you get to ride your own bike home because we were going to steal it. Oh! Fuck.